guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and do a eye look for you today. I'm going for kind of like a smoky eye, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. So if you want to see how this goes, keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in so I can show you exactly what I'm going to be doing and using. Two palettes that I'm going to be working with. It's this palette from BH Cosmetics, and I have tons of colors that I'm going to be choosing from. There's two different palettes here. And I have my highlighting palette right here, and then last but not least, my contour palette. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is prime my eyes. I love these brushes. Once that's packed in really good, color right here. Urban. You always want what you can have, and what you have you can. But still my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it. How do you know? With this color right here. You always want what you can have, and what you have you can. But still my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it. So now, because I have fallout, I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer down there. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara. How do you know how you will feel? now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face. And what I normally use is a face primer.
You always want what you can't have, and while you have it, you can't.
My e.l.f. foundation in the color Sand.
How do you know how you will feel when everything changes? Where will I go?
Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and contour. So I have my palette here. And I actually purchased a contour brush from e.l.f. So I'm going to use that one. It's angled. I normally use this one here from Maybelline. And it's got like the angled brush, but I feel like sometimes it's too big. It's this color here. And you want to contour like up this way, so you're gonna.
How do you know how you will feel when everything changes?
Blend it out.
Still my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it. Well, how do you know how you will feel when everything changes? Where will I go?
I'm gonna use my Becca hydrating setting powder.
How you will feel when everything changes. Where will I go? Where will you be?
Okay, so today's highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one right here.
How do you know? How do you know?
Okay. guys, this is the look. I normally finish off with a setting spray, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Yes To. Oh, I didn't do my eyebrows. Why didn't you tell me to do my eyebrows? I don't get too crazy with it, just because my brows are already thick. So I go in with this brow tint. And it's just a little bitty brush. Okay. And I just barely up and then tan them down a little bit. This color might be a little bit light for me, but I don't like them super dark. And I think this one I got at the Dollar Tree, so. This is it. Let me know what you guys think. I really do not know how to do eyeshadow, but this is my attempt. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun. And if you have any video requests, definitely comment down below, let me know. I'm going to go ahead and link in the description box below all the products that I used. If you're interested, you can get yours. Most of my products are either drugstore or from BoxyCharm. But that's it, you guys. I just wanted to get on here and share this look with you. Questions, comment down below, let me know. But hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.